Hello everyone and welcome to How to Bank. Hope our videos are helping you to make banking experience easy. In case you are visiting our channel for first time, we at How to Bank make banking experience easy via our different banking videos. Please subscribe our channel and like our Facebook page. My name is Deepak and today we are going to see how to reset your ATM PIN from Yes Bank Internet Banking. For this, you will need your user ID and password and mobile in network to receive OTP or transaction password. So let us start. Log into Yes Bank Net Banking, then click on My Space. On top right corner, click on Debit Cards. Then select Debit Card PIN Generation or Change. Select the debit card, input date of birth, expiry date of the card, and input the new PIN. Confirm the new PIN and click on Submit. Confirm. Input the transaction password which is sent to you via SMS and click on Submit. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your ATM PIN for debit card online. Bank will also send an SMS. This is a good security feature. So this is the process of regenerating or changing your debit card PIN for Yes Bank. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe our channel. Have safe banking. Keep your internet banking and ATM PINs secure. Do not share it with anyone. Do not share information with anyone on phone call. Remember, bank never will call you to ask any confidential information on the phone. Please share our video with friends and relatives and subscribe our channel. If you have any banking problem, please write to us. We will try to make video and help you out. Thank you and have a wonderful day.